Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyler Shun back at you again with another video. And today I am doing a short video on the unboxing slash customization, honey, on a wig from Luvme Hair. Yes, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this company all over social media. I love their wigs. They have pretty good lace. And today I'm doing a wig from here, and it's a blonde wig, and I already it's glueless. It can be glueless or glue it on. So make sure you guys just stay tuned and watch me work. We're going up 2020. Let's go. Okay, so in this box, honey, they have tweezers. Okay, all the unboxing that I have done, I have never seen tweezers, and I do like that. That's very unique. They're getting you prepared. They're getting you ready to make your wig or to, do it yourself. You don't have to, go to the salon. So I like that. That's different. They have the strap in there, the bobby pins. Even they have the Love Me Glam clip. Now that's the bomb. Now that's what's up. I like that. That's what's up. And wax stick for your flyaways. I like that. Thumbs up. This is a non-paid promotion from Luvme Hair. And I just wanted you guys to see the unboxing, see all the stuff that they had in their boxes. Like, that's amazing. That's what's up. And make sure you guys go hit them up. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please make sure you guys go subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Shavu Salon. Make sure you guys like my channel. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell too, ladies, so you guys can know each and every time that I'm posting a video. Thank you guys. 2020, we're going up. Let's go.